Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable notifications on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And all you have to do next, you just click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on Siri suggestions. Then you come to allow notifications, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here all notifications enabled with us now here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.